Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theclife.com, bringing to you day 3 of the GPP phase. All right, so don't mind the chicken scratch. Full exercise is going to be in the description below, so go check that out. I'm just going to explain to you exactly what the exercises are. As I mentioned in the previous 2 videos, we are doing trisets in this phase. This is to get more bang for our buck and prep us for the workouts to come. Now, this A block phase is going to be crucial to my athletes because we are doing unilateral compound movements. All right, so we're working multiple joints, but we're working them one at a time, okay? So we're gonna start off with the dumbbell split squats. The first A block phase, we're doing 4 sets of 10 reps each. Then we're going to do, so let me just put a little asterisk for each as well. Then we're going to go into the single arm cable row. Then we're going to go into a half kneeling dumbbell press. All right, this is going to be, if you were to do anything, all right, especially my athletes, basketball players, sprinters, runners, this phase, this block right here is very crucial. It's very strenuous too. Don't let it fool you. It will give you a hell of a workout. All right, next up, we're going into the B block. We have the physio ball hamstring curl, activating the glutes in the posterior chain, 3x10, incline dumbbell press, 3x10, modified pull-ups, assisted pull-ups. You can even substitute that with another set of lat pull downs, all right? And then we're gonna go into our C block, which we're gonna be working the core a bunch with some PALLOFF press, 3x10, and the dead bugs, 3x10. All right, it's super simple, but very effective. As I mentioned before, it is a marathon, not a sprint. Give this a try. We're gonna be on this phase for 4 weeks, okay? So exercise 1, 2, and 3, we're gonna be on this for 4 weeks. You could do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Just give yourself some time to recover so that each session is quality sessions. And yeah, get the job done, all right? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. If you have any thoughts, concerns, or any things that you find difficult, I can go more in depth with it. Just let me know, all right? Peace.